Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to find promo codes for Walmart. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So promo codes are a great way to find items on different websites at a discounted rate. So to find Walmart promo codes is pretty easy. You're going to have to create an account with Honey. Honey is a browser extension that automatically finds and applies coupon codes as at checkout with a single click. So go ahead and create your Honey account, subscribe to your Honey account. You can add it to the Opera as well by simply clicking on the button that is already provided to you. Click on the Add to Opera button, click on Add Extension. After that, the Honey extension will be added, and at checkout, you'll be met with a promo code that will help you purchase your product at a discounted rate. The next thing you can do is go ahead and perform a simple Google search on Walmart promo codes. The first link that will open is couponsmith.com. If you open it, you'll be able to find all your preferred Walmart promo codes. You can simply email this coupon to yourself, and once you've emailed this, you can check your Gmail for the promo code and use it on your Walmart website. And this is how you can find codes and apply them to your Walmart online purchase. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.